In this video, I will show you how to use WinRAR to extract files. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, of course, you want to make sure you've got WinRAR installed on your PC or laptop. You can download WinRAR for completely free by coming across to win-rar.com and clicking the blue download button. Now, once you've done that, as you can see, I've got this file that I want to extract. To go ahead and extract files using WinRAR, all you need to do is double click onto the file itself. What that's going to do is open up WinRAR just like so, and all you need to do, if you come up to the top, you're going to see a button up here which says extract to. So just go ahead and give that a click. Then what you can do is choose where you want to extract this to. So for myself, I'm going to leave this set to my desktop, and once you've done that, all you need to do is come down and click OK. So what that's going to do is extract this to my desktop. So if we come back to my desktop now, you can see the folder is here, that's been extracted, and we can double click now and see the files in this folder, just like so. So that is how to use WinRAR to extract files. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.